Hello, beer enthusiasts, and welcome to our channel where we explore the most unique, strange, and downright bizarre beers from around the world. Today, we're diving deep into the world of craft beer to bring you some of the most unusual brews you've never heard of. So sit back, grab your favorite pint, and let's embark on this exciting journey. Our first stop takes us to the land of the rising sun, Japan. Japan is known for its innovative approach to food and drink, and beer is no exception. In the Hokkaido region, there was a surplus of milk, and creative brewers saw an opportunity. They decided to use some of it to prepare a unique beer known as Wilk. As the name suggests, this beer is a fusion of beer and milk, brewed at a lower temperature to avoid boiling the milk. The result is a creamy, smooth beer with a unique flavor profile that's sure to intrigue any beer lover. It's a testament to the innovative spirit of Japanese brewers and their willingness to push the boundaries of traditional beer brewing. Next, we're heading to the United States, a country known for its vibrant craft beer scene. In Oregon, the Rogue Brewery has been pushing the boundaries of what craft beer can be. They're known for their experimental approach to brewing, and one of their most unique creations is the Voodoo Bacon Maple Ale. This beer is brewed with smoked bacon and maple syrup, resulting in a rich, smoky, and sweet flavor that's unlike anything you've ever tasted. It's a perfect example of how American brewers are not afraid to experiment with unconventional ingredients to create truly unique brews. But Rogue isn't the only American brewery experimenting with unusual ingredients. The Right Brain Brewery in Michigan has created a beer using smoked pork heads and bones. The result is a smoky, creamy beer that has won several awards and is a must-try for any adventurous beer lover. It's a testament to the creativity and innovation that's driving the American craft beer scene. Now, let's take a trip across the pond to the United Kingdom, a country with a rich beer brewing history. On the Isle of Wight, the Garlic Farm offers a unique brew, a black garlic beer. This brew provides a majestic note of garlic, creating an improbable but intriguing flavor profile that's sure to turn heads at any beer tasting event. It's a bold and daring brew that showcases the adventurous spirit of British brewers. From the UK, we're heading down under to Australia, a country known for its love of beer. The Moondog Brewery has created a Black Truffle Pilsner. This beer is a gastronomic delight, combining the earthy, rich flavors of black truffle with the crisp, refreshing qualities of a Pilsner. It's a sophisticated brew that showcases the Australian brewers' commitment to quality and innovation. Back in the United States, the Belching Beaver Brewery in California has created a Peanut Butter Milk Stout. This beer boasts a creamy body and strong peanut butter aromas that make it simply irresistible. It's a dessert in a glass, perfect for those with a sweet tooth. It's a great example of how American brewers are pushing the boundaries of what a beer can be, creating brews that are as delicious as they are unique. In the United States, the Vail Brewing Company in Virginia has created a beer using fried chicken among the ingredients. The result is a unique brew that captures the savory, comforting flavors of fried chicken in a glass. It's a bold and daring brew that showcases the adventurous spirit of American brewers. In the spirit of combining food and beer, Tom and Athena Seifer created a pizza-flavored beer. This brew incorporates basil, oregano, tomato, and garlic, creating a beer that tastes remarkably like a slice of pizza. It's a winning combination that's sure to be a hit at any party. It's a testament to the creativity and innovation that's driving the craft beer scene. Our final stop takes us to Iceland, where the Brugastedja Brewery has created a beer using smoked whale testicles and sheep dung. This beer is brewed seasonally for the Icelandic Midwinter Festival, Thorrablot, and offers a unique, smoky flavor that's unlike anything you've ever tasted. It's a bold and daring brew that showcases the adventurous spirit of Icelandic brewers. That's all for today's journey through the world of weird and unique beers. Whether it's a beer brewed with milk, bacon, garlic, or even whale testicles, it's clear that the world of craft beer is full of creativity and innovation. So, the next time you're looking for a new beer to try, why not step out of your comfort zone and try something a little different? You never know, you might just find your new favorite brew. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of unique and unusual beers. We hope you've enjoyed this exploration of the creativity and innovation that's driving the craft beer scene around the world. Remember, beer is about more than just hops and barley. It's about pushing boundaries, trying new things, and above all, enjoying the journey. So here's to the brewers who dare to be different. And to you, the beer lovers who are always ready for the next adventure. Cheers.